In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send or print a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your profit and loss, how to set the right dates, and how to either print it or save it as a PDF to share. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand navigation panel, click Reports. This takes you to the Reports page, and you'll want to be on the Standard tab. The Standard tab holds all the pre-built reports you'll use most often, which keeps things simple. Next, look for the Profit and Loss report. Depending on your view, it may appear near the top under Favorites or Business Overview. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar on the Reports page and type Profit and Loss. Go ahead and click it to run the report. QuickBooks will load it with a default date range, which might not be what you need, so we'll adjust that next. Before you do anything else, set the correct date range. At the top of the report, open the Date drop-down and choose the period you want, like this month, last month, this quarter, or a custom start and end date. Pick the period that reflects what you want to share, whether that's for internal review, a lender, or a tax preparer. Take a quick moment to confirm the company name and the date range show properly at the top of the report, so the recipient knows exactly what they're looking at. Now you're ready to get a copy out. Click the print icon at the top right of the report. That will open your browser's print dialog. From here, you have two options. If you want a paper copy, select your printer, check your layout and margins if needed, and click Print. If you'd prefer a digital copy, change the destination to Save as PDF. Choose a clear file name like Profit and Loss 2024 Q2, pick a folder you'll remember, and save it. Once the PDF is saved, you can attach it to an email or message and send it to whoever needs it. If you're printing instead, wait for the print to finish and include it in your physical records or hand it off to your team. Before you share, it's a good idea to scan the first page and confirm the totals and date range match what you intend to communicate. And there you go. You clicked Reports, opened the Standard tab, ran the Profit and Loss, set the right dates, and printed or saved it as a PDF to send. That's all. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe.